Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Quizlex. We have brought you another mind-twisting challenge. Your brain versus this quiz. Think you can outsmart this quiz? Let's see if your brain can really handle these tricky questions. Stay focused and let's find out who wins. You are the quiz. Which is the largest internal organ in the human body? A. Brain, B. Heart, C. Liver, or D. Lung? What is the smallest prime number? A. 0, B. 1, C. 2, or D. 3? So, the correct answer is 2. Which gas is known as laughing gas? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrous oxide, C. Carbon dioxide, or D. Hydrogen? So, the correct answer is nitrous oxide. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. Japan, B. China, C. Thailand, or D. Korea? So, the correct answer is Japan. What is the capital of Egypt? A. Cairo, B. Alexandria, C. Giza, or D. Luxor? So, the correct answer is Cairo. Which element is needed for strong bones and teeth? A. Iron, B. Calcium, C. Zinc, or D. Sodium? So, the correct answer is calcium. Who discovered gravity? A. Isaac Newton, B. Albert Einstein, C. Galileo Galilei, or D. Nikola Tesla? So, the correct answer is Isaac Newton. What is the national flower of Pakistan? A. Jasmine, B. Rose, C. Sunflower, D. Lily? So, the correct answer is jasmine. Which continent has the most countries? A. Africa, B. Asia, C. Europe, or D. South America? So, the correct answer is Africa. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. Gd, B. Au, C. Ag, or D. Go? So, the correct answer is Au. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, or D. Saturn? So, the correct answer is Mars. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? A. William Wordsworth, B. William Shakespeare, C. John Milton, D. Charles Dickens. So, the correct answer is William Shakespeare. Which ocean is between Africa and Australia? A. Atlantic, B. Pacific, C. Indian, or D. Arctic? So, the correct answer is Indian. What is the currency of Saudi Arabia? A. Dinar, B. Riyal, C. Dirham, or D. Pound? So, the correct answer is Riyal. Which part of the human eye controls the amount of light entering it? A. Retina, B. Iris, C. Cornea, D. Lens. So, the correct answer is iris. Who invented the telephone? A. Alexander Graham Bell, B. Thomas Edison, C. James Watt, B. Michael Faraday. So, the correct answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Which instrument measures temperature? A. Barometer, B. Thermometer, C. Anemometer, D. Altimeter. So, the correct answer is thermometer. What is the world's fastest land animal? A. Cheetah, B. Lion, C. Horse, or D. Leopard? So, the correct answer is cheetah. Which gas do humans exhale? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. So, the correct answer is carbon dioxide. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? A. Brain, B. Kidney, C. Heart, or D. Liver? So, the correct answer is heart. Time's up. So, did your brain beat the quiz or did the quiz beat you? Tell us your score in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share to show off your quiz power. See you next time on Quizlex. We are smart minds, play smarter.